Hello Mario! In this video I'm going to try and make an excavation of some unsuitable material in my little project that I'm working on. I'm trying to make it around about 1200 cubic meters, but that's just a goal. We'll see how we go. So let's see what we can do. So here we are. I think I'm going to put the unsuitable material. I think I'm going to locate it in and around this area here, so that we take it out. So first of all, I'm going to call it. Just give it a name. Unsuitable 1, and I'll call it unsuitable 1 here as well. In the model, and I'll give it a different color. Oh, what colors have we got here? Oh, I'll go with dark green. Okay, at this stage we won't do a height on it. So 1200, I want to round about it, have it 40 at the midpoint. Let's say it's going to be a 400 at the midpoint, or 600 at the midpoint, and let's say it's going to be 2 meters deep, so that'll be 600, maybe 20 by 30 at the midpoint. And it's going to come down inside that a meter, so perhaps maybe 18 by 28. Let's try 18 by 28 and then see if we can drop it up 2 meters. So I'm going to draw a line here. Just draw a line, CAD line there. Just put a point there. Accept. And sort of out there is going to be about 90 meters. I might just put it up there. I'll try 80 meters. So push the space bar, BD, to tell it that I'm going to do bearings and distances. Again, I'll put it at 80 degrees. And I said around about 600, which would be 20 by 30. And then because we're dropping down, this will be the base of it, which will take off 2. So it's 18 by 28. So I'm going to make that about 28 meters in there, like that. And that'll be one side of it. Then I'm going to offset that. So I'll go to this CAD string here, and you just click and hold, and then offset or parallel that. So, and then click side, click, slide, accept. And the distance I said was 28 by 18, so I'm going to go 18 in there, and I don't want any height offset. So that's where my unsuitable material possibly going to be in there. We'll see how that rolls. So the next thing now is to go here and to just to join those. So again, you just hold it there, it slips out, go to the join, there it is there. So it's click, slide, accept, and then down here, click, slide, accept. Let's join that in there, and then let's just close that up, which is again is here, CAD string, close, and we just accept. So that's given us our CAD string there. I'll just go to tin inquire here, height, because and the tin that we want is from the ground, and I want this to be roughly 2 meters deep, so we've got 31 there, so if we made it 29 there, 31, 29, 31, click on the letters, and round about, yeah, I'm going to go with a 31 meter base level in here. So let's go strings inquire into here, right, go to there, and the height there. So I'll just go through that again. Let's go escape there. I can probably get rid of that. So it's strings inquire, pick a string there. When it's highlighted like that, pick that one there, right click, and then go out on this here to the height, a height vertex there, and we'll go for each entire string, and we'll make that a height of 31. So that's our entire string has a height of 31. Enter. Okay, and we can have a look at the Z values here. Here's the Z values. Oh, but we can see here in our string that it's all the Z values, so we'll just turn them off for now rather than dealing with that conglomeration. Alright, so that's our base there, roughly with an RL of 31. So let's go design, apply, and we'll go to interface. Okay, and we'll call this interface function unsuitable one. Okay, and the string interface will be that one there, which we will select, accept. Okay, that's got that name. We'll go with 1-to-1 cut batters, fill slope batters 1-to-1. The section separation will go with 2. We'll go left. The tin is the ground tin, like so. And the model for the interface will be unsuitable boundary. Like that there, unsuitable boundary. The model for the slope lines will be unsuitable sections. Okay, and we'll go interface. Now that will create some new models, which will now turn on. Unsuitable boundary is there. Oh, and the unsuitable plus the unsuitable sections there. So, we haven't got much there. I'm just going to do that strings inquire. Oh, sorry, tins edit. Tins inquire height. So I went with a 31. Oh, that's the ground tin. I went with 31. Oh yes, I went 31. I wanted to drop it down, so I need to drop that down to drop that string down to 29. So strings inquire, pick my string, right, oops, okay, not so good. Pick S, there we go. Height string and entire string, we'll drop that down to 29. So I put 31, which was the actual ground level. I wanted it to be 2 meters deep. 29, apply. Let's get rid of that there. I'll maybe put that up over there. I'll just have a look at my Z values just as a check. By way of a check. Oops, not what I wanted. Must have clicked the wrong Z values. And I don't want those on. So the Z value in there is 29. Let's do the interface. That's a bit better now. Okay, and we can see there that we've got an interface. Yeah, I'll turn off these Z values. So now we've got the interface there with our pond. What I'd like to do now, I think, is to just to work out what our volume's like. So I'll do a view, new, plan, and we'll just add the unsuitable boundary plus unsuitable sections. Yeah, that's all good there. Plus we want something else here, unsuitable 1, I think. Yes, so that's, there we have our little unsuitable excavation there with the one-to-one sides. We haven't had to worry about that. Okay, so let's just clean everything up here a little bit. Yep, I think that's a regeneration one. Okay, so I don't know, for some reason it's got that point in there, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. Okay, so let's tins, create, triangulate data, and this one here, new tin name is going to be unsuitable unsuitable 1, like so. Enter, and put that back through there. Control C, goes in there. Yeah, and the data is from plan 5, which is what we're watching here. Okay, and the nulling, we'll just change that length. Nulling, we'll just change that to 1. Okay, and let's triangulate. Okay, just hit that there. Let's turn on our triangulation. That's all looking pretty good. Okay, so now let's do a volume. Design, volumes, exact. Tin to tin. The original tin is our ground tin. Our new tin is the unsuitable material. Report file will be unsuitable. And let's have a look, push volume. We've got 1527. Okay, so that's 1527 there. I actually wanted it 1200. So let's go back here. Let's just move that over here. Perhaps we could go back to here. So I want to knock about 300 cubes off. 28 by 18. Well, that's roughly 600. So probably want to take off maybe half a meter off the depth. So let's do a string inquire there. Oops, that's not. Yeah. Oh, there we go. String inquire. Try again. So string inquire. Right click. No. Not going too good here. I'll just maybe turn off these other layers here. Might just make it a little bit easier, and we'll just zoom in. Right, string inquire. Pick. No, finish. Not working there. String inquire. Pick the string here. I don't seem to be able to change that, get back to that situation there. I wonder if I'll just try it here again. So that's strings inquire. Right click, restart. Doesn't seem to want to give it to me. I'm just going to pause there and see if I can sort this little problem out. And yes, so I already had the string inquire super vertex height here open already at 29 previously, and I hadn't closed it, so I'm going to change that to 29.5 and apply that, and you can see that the string changes there. Okay, now I've closed a few things during the pause there. I'll just get that undone there, turn the Z values off, and then what I'm going to do is design apply interface, and we're going to go with the unsuitable interface and interface there, and just redo that. So that means turning that on again here, which is the unsuitable sections plus and the unsuitable boundary, like so. So that's turned that all on again. I'll just check that again, interface, and then we can go to, did I delete plan 5? I think I did, just on the volume side of things. So we'll go view new plan, and we'll turn on the unsuitable things here, select, and we'll re-triangulate those, which is here. That's the volume. So we'll go tins edits, tin, and the one that we'll edit is the unsuitable, and we'll data tins, edit, retriangulate, unsuitable one, retriangulate, and we'll just check how that's going. Unsuitable one, so that looks alright, and then we'll just check the volume again here, volume, yeah, so the file already exists, so we're just going to replace it, and the volume is now 1163, which is round about, close enough to the 1200 that I wanted. If we did want to change it, we perhaps want to make it a little bit more, we could make it a little bit deeper, 29.4, okay, there, oops, 29.4, we could interface there, retriangulate, which seems to be working okay, and then volume, and we could replace, and there's our little report which we can pull up, 1234, excellent. Okay, so that's got our volume all sorted out there for that unsuitable material. We could probably close that there. Yes, we can close these little working things here without too much problem, and probably close that one there, close that view, expand that view, make that view fit the whole thing, and there we can see that we've got our, still to triangulate the, to contour the unsuitable material. So we'll do that in the next video. This one's gone on for quite some time now, but we'll do that in the next video. But you can see there the location of the two things. Cheers! See you!